Budget smartphone. Budget smartphones occupy the entry level of the market, typically priced under $200, and are designed to provide the essential functions of a modern smartphone at the lowest possible cost. They handle calls, messaging, social media, and basic photography adequately for everyday use, while making compromises in processor speed, camera quality, display resolution, and build materials to achieve their low price point. Brands like Motorola, Nokia, and Samsung's A series dominate this category, offering reliable Android experiences that serve hundreds of millions of users worldwide, who either cannot afford or simply do not need a premium device. The processing power of today's budget smartphones would have been considered impressive in a flagship device just 5 years ago, reflecting how rapidly mobile technology has advanced across all price tiers.
Mid-range smartphone. Mid-range smartphones set between $200 and $600 and represent the sweet spot of the market, where most consumers find the best balance between performance and price. They offer capable processors, competent multi-camera systems, smooth displays, and solid battery life, without the premium pricing of flagship devices. Samsung's Galaxy A series, Google's Pixel A series, and various offerings from OnePlus and Xiaomi have made the mid-range segment intensely competitive, pushing manufacturers to offer features that were once exclusive to flagship phones at significantly lower prices. For the majority of smartphone users who do not demand the absolute best in every category, a well-chosen mid-range device delivers a genuinely excellent daily experience.
Flagship Smartphone. Flagship smartphones represent the peak of what each manufacturer can achieve with current technology. Typically priced above $800 and often exceeding $1,000 for premium configurations. They feature the fastest available processors, the most sophisticated camera systems with multiple lenses and advanced computational photography, the brightest and highest resolution displays, and premium materials like aerospace-grade aluminum scratch-resistant glass. Apple's iPhone Pro lineup and Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series compete directly in this space, pushing each other to innovate with every annual release. Flagship phones are also where new technologies debut before trickling down to lower price tiers. Features like satellite connectivity, always-on displays, and advanced face recognition all appeared in flagships before becoming widespread.
Foldable Smartphone. Foldable smartphones use flexible display technology to create devices that can transform between a compact folded form and a larger unfolded screen. Two main form factors have emerged: the book-style fold, where the device opens like a small book to reveal a tablet-sized screen, and the flip-style fold, where a standard-sized phone folds in half to become pocket-sized when closed. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series pioneered the consumer foldable market, with other manufacturers including Motorola and Google following with their own interpretations. Early foldables suffered from durability concerns and high prices, but successive generations have addressed many of these issues. Foldable phones represent the most significant change to the physical form factor of smartphones since the transition from physical keyboards to full touchscreens.
Gaming smartphone. Gaming smartphones are purpose-built devices optimized specifically for mobile gaming performance and extended play sessions. They feature the most powerful available processors paired with advanced cooling systems, often including internal heat pipes and sometimes external fan attachments, to sustain peak performance during demanding games without thermal throttling. High refresh rate displays reaching 144Hz or higher ensure smooth visuals, and shoulder trigger buttons provide physical gaming inputs not found on standard smartphones. Brands like Asus ROG Phone, Nubia Red Magic, and Black Shark have established themselves in this niche category. While flagship smartphones are capable gaming devices, dedicated gaming phones prioritize sustained performance, battery capacity, and physical comfort during long gaming sessions in ways that general-purpose flagships do not.
Camera smartphone. Camera smartphones prioritize photographic capability above all other specifications, featuring elaborate multi-lens systems, large image sensors, and sophisticated computational photography software to deliver results approaching dedicated camera quality. The competition among manufacturers to achieve the highest ratings from professional camera review organizations has driven rapid advancement in mobile photography. Features like periscope telephoto lenses that achieve significant optical zoom without increasing phone thickness, night mode algorithms that combine multiple exposures for bright low-light photography, and ProRAW formats that give photographers manual control over image processing have transformed smartphones into legitimate creative tools. Google's Pixel series built its entire reputation around exceptional computational photography, consistently producing outstanding images from relatively modest sensor hardware through superior software processing.
Rugged smartphone. Rugged smartphones are built to survive extreme conditions that would destroy a standard device. Drops onto hard surfaces, submersion in water, exposure to dust, extreme temperatures, and high humidity. They achieve this through reinforced frames, rubberized impact-absorbing materials, sealed ports, and hardened glass. Military-grade impact resistance standards and IP68 or IP69 water resistance ratings are standard features in this category. Brands like Cat, Doogee, and Ulefone specialize in rugged devices used by construction workers, outdoor adventurers, military personnel, and anyone whose environment poses serious risks to a regular smartphone. While rugged phones are typically heavier and thicker than standard devices, newer generations have made meaningful progress in reducing bulk while maintaining their protective capabilities.
Senior smartphone. Senior smartphones are designed specifically for older users who may find standard smartphones difficult to use due to small text, complex interfaces, or unfamiliar technology. They typically feature simplified home screens with large icons and text, louder speakers for users with hearing difficulties, emergency SOS buttons that send alerts to family members with a single press, and enhanced brightness displays for easier outdoor visibility. Some senior phones retain physical button layouts similar to traditional mobile phones to ease the transition from older devices. The growing elderly population in developed countries has created an increasingly important market segment, with mainstream manufacturers like Samsung and Doro offering dedicated senior-friendly models alongside their standard lineups.
Satellite smartphone. Satellite smartphones can communicate via satellite networks when no cellular coverage is available, providing a critical safety net for users in remote locations beyond the reach of traditional mobile infrastructure. Apple introduced Satellite Emergency SOS with the iPhone 14, allowing users to send distress messages and location information to emergency services via satellite when stranded in areas with no cellular signal. More comprehensive satellite communication features have followed in subsequent generations, enabling two-way messaging via satellite. This capability has proven genuinely life-saving in documented emergency cases involving hikers, disaster survivors, and travelers in remote regions. As satellite communication infrastructure continues to expand through projects like SpaceX Starlink, satellite connectivity in smartphones is expected to become significantly more capable and eventually mainstream.
That covers all the types of smartphones we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of smartphone are you using right now? See you in the next one.